How to fix Instagram videos not playing. So you might be in the position where you try to see the videos on Instagram, but for you the video is not playing. In this case, the first thing you want to make sure is that your internet connection is stable enough. Well, if your internet connection is not working properly, then it might be one of the reasons that you are facing the issue on Instagram. So once your network is stable, you'll be good to go. Now the next thing you want to do is head over to your Play Store. In the search bar, search for Instagram. Head over to this application. So right here, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date. And it might also be the reason that you are facing the issue. In this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update your application to the latest version. Most of the time, updating the application has fixed the issue, so it might also fix the issue that you have been facing. But if it still doesn't work for you, then what you want to do is head over to your settings. Move into apps. Head over to the application Instagram. Tap on storage and cache. Right here you need to clear the cache and the storage of this application. So tap on clear cache and then tap on clear storage. Click on OK. Well, clearing the cache and storage will make your application run smoothly, and it might also fix the issue that you have been facing on Instagram. So that's it, and these are some of the ways to fix the videos not playing on Instagram. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.